Okay, fine. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning to all of you. Good morning. Fine. So, yesterday I asked you to allocate overall 6 hours in your day, 2 hour per subject. Okay. Most of you have sent the timetable, but there are again some people who have not sent it yet. Okay. So those students shall allocate the time. Okay, per subject 2 hour time should be allocated. See, we are not asking what is your timetable. कुठल्या टाइमला तुम्ही उठताय, कुठल्या टाइमला तुम्ही जेवण करताय, that we are not asking. Okay, we are asking that, sir, this is the time very nice study physics, this is the time very nice study chemistry, this is the time where I will be studying mathematics or biology. या टाइमला मी फिजिक्स स्टडी करणार आहे, या टाइमला मी केमिस्ट्री स्टडी करणार आहे, या टाइमला मी मॅथमॅटिक्स स्टडी करणार आहे किंवा बायोलॉजी स्टडी करणार आहे. Okay, that we want you to allocate 2 hours per subject, minimum 2 hours per subject. Okay, you are allocating 1 hour per subject, 45 minutes per subject, taking breaks of 2.5 hours in between the two slots. What you are doing, that we are not asking. What you should do, that we are telling you. Are you getting it? Those timetables I have corrected even. काय करायचंय कळालं का? Are you getting this? Reply me in the chat box, yes or no. We are expecting you to allocate 2 hours per subject, that you should be following in the coming future, in the coming time, or in the upcoming days. What you are currently doing, you are waking up at this, you are eating this, that. No, आपल्या टाइमचा बाळांनो आपल्याला कंट्रोल घ्यायचा आहे. सो व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज at least allocate some time to the subject. What to do in that time will be told to you. Of course that you can decide also, but at least allocate the time. पहिल्यांदा एक एक स्टेप कंप्लीट करायची आहे. ओके, शिकवेन मी तुम्हाला ती सुद्धा, कारण या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला रिअल लाईफ मध्ये पण उपयोगी पडणार आहेत. ज्या आमच्या प्रायोरिटीज आहेत, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दोज प्रायोरिटीज आर टू बी डिसाइडेड. Physics, chemistry, mathematics are my, or physics, chemistry, biology are my priorities, and I should allocate some time to those priorities. Now these are some times which I have allocate to my priorities. So जर मी टाइम allocate केला असेल तर सगळं जग विसरून जी काय प्रायोरिटी आहे, राईट नाव दिस इज द फिजिक्स टाइम, आय विल स्टडी फिजिक्स, बाकी सगळं जग गेलं उडत. इट इज लाईक दिस. So if with this attitude, if you study a productive 6 hours, if you study a productive 6 hours, almost all the things, now these 6 hours, which 6 hours are to be studied, that is completely your decision, that is your freedom. Modify your timetable, your schedule as per your wish. Okay, तुमचं शेड्यूल तुम्ही मॅनेज करा. तुम्हाला जेव्हा जेवायचं तेव्हा जेवा, तुम्हाला जेव्हा झोपायचं तेव्हा झोपा. बट असं काही करू नका की टेकिंग 3 and 4 hours of breaks between the two study slots. That's not the good thing, because otherwise that will simply mean that physics, chemistry or the biology are not your priorities. If any other thing getting so much time, which is more than 2 or 2.5 hour, म्हणजे ती गोष्ट प्रायोरिटी असा अर्थ होईल. आर यू गेटिंग इट? मी काय बोलतोय समजतंय का? इफ एनी अदर थिंग, might be a break, might be a lunch, might be a dinner, if it is taking a slot of 2.5 hour, if that activity taking a time of 2.5 hour, it is more prioritized than this. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? एम आय सेन्सिबल? मी जे बोलतोय ते समजतंय का तुम्हाला? मी काय बोलतोय? या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा विचार करायचा असतो. ऑफकोर्स मेक शुअर दॅट यू गेट सफिशियंट अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रेक्स. यू टेक 30 minute break, I have absolutely no problem. You take 40 minute break, I have absolutely no problem. I'm not even saying make a continuous 2 hour study slot. No problem. You can make a 60 minute study slot. I'm okay. You can make a 90 minute study slot and and then take a 20-30 minute break. I absolutely don't have any problem, because even if you make 90-minute study slots, the 4 study slots will complete this 6 hour time. That is also okay. I'm absolutely fine with whatever the study slots you choose. Okay, but make sure that the break time should not exceed like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. That should not happen. Okay, this is just a recommendation, or this is just a guideline. Okay, of course, ultimately you have to take control of your time. You are free to do, but some guideline should be there so that you remain on the track. Okay, fine. So prioritize आम्ही केलेला आहे. Priority आमची काय आहे ती define केली आहे. We have allocated time to the priorities. Now what to do in those 2 hours of study? Other physics, every subject teacher will guide you for that. In those 2 hours, for the physics, first thing, you should complete your homework. Second thing, daily जे काही शिकवलं जातंय, okay, that daily revision आज सकाळी जे शिकवले ते, okay, whatever is taught today morning, that will be read. Okay, number 3 thing, homework मध्ये तुमचा module plus boards, these things are being completed. Okay, these things at least should be done. And if this is covered, हे सगळं झालेलं आहे, and even if the time remains, go for corresponding additional questions. Go for corresponding additional questions. It is this simple. First priority, physics. This is physics time. Now I have to study the physics. Check whether I have completed today's homework. If not, I will do that first. Second thing, whatever has been taught today, that I have to read. I have to make own list of formulae. I have to make own list of formulae in which the calculation tricks and all the formulas will be clubbed. Okay. Third thing, even if the time remains, I will go for corresponding to that module homework, corresponding to that MCQs homework. जेवढं आतापर्यंत शिकवलेलं आहे, whatever has been taught till date, तेवढ्या त्या चॅप्टर वरचे additional MCQs, additional questions मधून सोडवायचे. This is to be done. Is that clear? This is how those 2 hours are prioritized. Is that clear? त्या 2 तासामध्ये पण काय करायचं? It is this. Got it? Reply me in the chat box. Everyone shall reply to this. These are the minimum things, guys. Okay. Good. It is this simple. Keep a simple plan, execute it, that's it. Okay. At the end of the day, there should be some free time, so that, sir, I could not complete this step. Sir, I could not complete this step. करू शकताय ना. There should be some free time. Okay. त्या फ्री टाइम मध्ये यातलं काय काय राहिलंय बघा आणि ते कम्प्लीट करा. Is that clear? आणि अजून पण मग शिल्लक राहत असेल, then you are absolutely free to do any additional thing that you want for any corresponding subject. But these are some priorities. Okay, these are some priorities. Whatever homework will be given to you, that will be module plus boards plus any additional, whatever the homework is given by the subject teacher, that is to be completed first. Complete that as a homework. Then daily revision. and then the corresponding additional questions corresponding जे काय मॉड्यूल मधली जेवढी theory झाली okay, check what is the theory taught in the module, taught from the module. Corresponding to that, see what are the examples, just tick mark those examples, solve those 10-15 examples, these homework, then these 10-15 examples, that is enough. Okay. If you find that, sir, I cannot complete all these 3 activities in 2 hours, then there is some additional time. There is some additional time at the end of the day. Use that time for this. Is that clear? This is how you should spend your day. This is how you should spend your day on your priorities. तुम्ही फ्रेश राहाल, कायम फ्रेश राहाल, because you are taking sufficient amount of breaks, you are completing the activities also, so that is giving you the motivation as well, that sir this is done, sir this is done, sir this is done, आजचं काम झालं, फार छान वाटतं झोपायच्या आधी. Fine. So you just write this down. You just write this down on your notebook. Of those 2 hours, I am dividing those 2 hours like this. Okay. But first thing was, yesterday what was to be done? I wanted my subject physics to be allocated 2 hours. Similarly, I wanted my subject mathematics to be allocated 2 hours, my subject biology to be allocated 2 hours, and then I will prioritize, then I will decide the activities to be done in those 2 hours. This is going to be the general, this is going to be the in general. Okay, on some particular day I might ask you to modify this thing, okay, on some particular day, otherwise it will remain, otherwise it will generally remain the same. Okay, otherwise it will generally remain the same. First